Merry Christmas and a happy end of 2025. Today we are going to talk about my top 3D prints for the Christmas and holiday season 2025. And as always, if you do watch this entire video, in addition to just see my top 3D prints right now, you will also learn a lot more useful tips and tricks that will help you throughout your own Christmas 3D printing. For example, which matte red is the best red this year when it comes to getting that perfect Santa Claus red. And in order to answer that question for you, I'm actually not going to answer that question for you. Instead, I'm going to show you the first print of today, which is Santa's hat Christmas decor that has been printed in 3 different matte red PLAs from Bambu Lab, Polymaker, and from Sunlu. And I'm just going to let you decide which one you think suits this overall Christmas/Santa Claus theme the best. But I am also, of course, going to show you which specific print belongs to which specific brand. Now, I cannot guarantee that the difference will be that obvious via YouTube or on your specific device, but basically this Sunlu matte red PLA is slightly darker and not as punchy in the colors compared to Bambu Lab and Polymaker. This would be the Panchroma PLA from Polymaker. And honestly, when it comes to the overall color, I honestly cannot see a difference between Bambu Labs and the Panchroma PLA here from Polymaker. Now, I do want to apologize to the designer here because I am not making this print justice, because I accidentally used bone white filament and not any snow-like looking filament. But the reason for why I'm not gonna reprint this print just to show you the difference, because the amount of poop or amount of waste for this one single print is unbelievable. It's very, very extreme. And nothing against like this specific designer, but just be aware, if you just got your first 3D printer during like the Black Friday deal and you do want to print something for the upcoming Christmas holidays, then just know that if you are using an AMS or an AMS Lite and you do want these multi-color prints, then for every layer that has more than one color, the printer do need to change the filament, and it also needs to waste out the remaining color that it has like in the nozzle. For example, you can see all the orange parts here that has been wasted because it has been either switching to or from this orange color. But the amount of actual orange in this print is just for the nose. But you should also know that if I at the same time would have printed like as many of these snowmen as I possibly could fit on my build plate, the amount of waste would have been the same. So that is a great way to save on the waste by printing multiple units of the same item at the same time. On the other hand, here we have a Santa Claus ornament with the exact same number of colors, but because it has been printed with very, very few layers in comparison, we also don't have that many color changes, of course. And that is also one of the reasons for why I absolutely love this print and why this print made this list, because I think this is super cute. Again, here we do have my absolute favorite skin tone, which is the wood PLA from Sunlu. And if you are planning on making any faces whatsoever for Christmas or after Christmas or otherwise, I 100% recommend Sunlu's wood PLA for any kind of at least Caucasian pale skin colors. Another useful print, depending on your definition of useful, is this musical fidget, which I have to say is not as great as I thought it would be. Nothing against this specific designer, I just feel like these musical fidgets in general are just not as great as these like super trendy TikTok and Instagram reel videos. But you're gonna be the judge for yourself, so we're gonna see here if you can actually hear which tone we do have on this musical fidget. Yay! There we go. Okay, full disclosure, this was not the first time I tried try this. It does take a lot of time to actually be like good enough, and especially if you don't play any instrument. I don't know if you can count this as an instrument, but yeah, if you want to see the unedited version of how it actually is to play this, you have everything in the end of this video. Yeah, we're not going to waste everyone's time, but if you're interested, you can see the struggles of actually trying to play this musical fidget. But in general, I think that this is super unique, and I think that these are just great as like standalone gifts, and definitely something that is worth like at least as a stock filling, or how you call it, just to like add up the quantity of presents during Christmas. And speaking about great Christmas gifts, I also want to talk about coupons from the sponsor of today's video, PCBWay. If you didn't know already, then PCBWay is offering customized PCBs for basically any kind of project. But in addition to this, they also offer customized 3D printing services in basically any material you could possibly think of, everything from PLA, TPU, and even titanium. And right now and until the end of the year, they do have their huge Christmas sale where you can actually get up to 50% off their 3D printing and CNC machining services. And if you do click the link down in the description, you will also get $5 off your first order from PCBWay. Next up might be one of the most beautiful prints I have ever printed, which are these Tealight houses with winter landscape. Especially if we do turn off the lights here, you can actually see these Tealight houses in their full shine. And basically, like how it works, is super easy. You print out everything like this, and then you have these little areas where you can put these tea lights, and then you just put the houses here on top. Now, the designer do recommend to use the bone white filament from Bambu Lab, which if you watched my Halloween video, you should have already ordered and maybe still have a few grams left. Yeah, I am super happy with this. All these trees as well, like they're all connected. They all print out like this, and you don't need any assembly, any glue or anything. It just prints like this, which again is just one of those magical things about 3D printing, that it just appears like the next day after you printed it. You can of course also go with like an all white if you want like a really snowy landscape. And what I really love is this fuzzy skin as well for both the snow and these trees, so it does look super nice. I also used the exact same settings for this very cute Christmas gnome. But one thing that I completely forgot was again to change the filament from this marble PLA to my favorite skin tone wood PLA from Sunlu. Maybe you didn't even realize before I pointed that out, but yeah, I think this also definitely has a space on this top 10 list, but also a space in one of my corners here in the studio. And yeah, just makes me feel a little bit happy and in a good mood every time I see it. I should also point out that I actually printed this on my H2D, so this is actually 32 centimeters tall and would not be able to be printed on the Bambu Lab A1. I think with 25 centimeters, maybe we can get up until there as a max height, but yeah, as we all know, bigger is better. But with that said, sometimes a few centimeters is all it takes to make someone super happy here during the holiday times, at least. We do have this climbing Santa decoration, which I find absolutely adorable. And again, maybe a little bit too much waste if you would only print out one single one at a time. I would just recommend to fill this plate full and then basically just like hiding them everywhere you could possibly imagine. It is a little bit tricky to make it actually hang by itself. You do need like a few tries in order to properly make it hang there. I think there we go. Super cute when you start to adding it on all different kinds of places. Also a great printer decoration now as well, if you want your 3D printer itself to have some Christmas decorations. And speaking about some Christmas spirit, I don't know about you, but to me, the first sign of Christmas is to open the Advent calendar. Again, just to clarify, this specific Santa Claus is not part of this specific design, but this Christmas tree Advent calendar is absolutely amazing by itself. And it's also absolutely incredibly easy to install all of this as well. There's no glue whatsoever. You have all these different colors printing separately, and these door hinges just open by themselves, print in place, again, that Christmas / 3D printing magic. So you do print everything separately, and actually this green tree itself comes in 2 parts, but it has actually included the connectors already that you could print out. And then on the back here, we do have these separated red little squares that act as the door backer that you then put through the door as a separate thing. And then on the front side, it would actually shine through as these multicolor numbers. So you can pick whatever color you want, of course. I go with Christmas tree green and then some red and white. Snow White and Santa Claus red, I guess. And fun fact, in Sweden, we actually celebrate Christmas on the 24th, which makes sense because all the advent calendars go down to 24th. Now I need to ask, because I know, of course, that Americans celebrate on the 25th. Does your advent calendars go to 25? I honest question. Like I've never seen an advent calendar that goes to 25. That's weird. And speaking about Christmas traditions, here of course we also have a Christmas tree, which might be the coolest print I have ever printed. What is cool about that is that this print will fail on purpose. So all you can see here is actually like the printed filament that is just printing by itself, but somehow cools and just like stays in place without being like attached to anything. Yeah, it's very hard to describe how cool I think this is. But yeah, and it looks like exactly like a Christmas tree as well. I used this Galaxy green from Sunlu. It's called PLA Galaxy Green, yeah, from Sunlu, to get this slightly like shimmer and just nice Christmas tree galaxy green. If you are looking for this specific color, you do have an affiliate link to this filament and also all the other Sunlu filaments. Again, I 100% recommend their wood PLA for skin tones. And it is also my favorite one when it comes to making a fireplace for this other advent calendar with a Santa Claus countdown from the top all the way down through the chimney until Santa Claus arrives in the fireplace on, again, December 24th. Honestly, I'm so confused right now. Does this mean that this is a European advent calendar? Or don't you have advent calendars in the US? Is this like a European thing, or maybe even a Swedish thing that doesn't exist anywhere else? Regardless, if you don't have this tradition already, start right now. And speaking about Santa Claus and chimneys, here we have a print from Stag 3D, which is both a decorative piece, but could also become a fridge magnet, depending on which version you're printing. Not so much to say about this, other than I think that this is absolutely adorable, and of course something that I will have out in my apartment until, again, Santa do arrive here on the 24th of December. All print in place. Again, it just appears like this. You started printing it overnight and then it just shows up like this in your printer the next day, which is, again, just some Santa Claus magic, I think. If you do instead want some faster and shorter print that also doesn't take that much filament, then I highly recommend these kind of door decors and also this light switch decor, which also again adds as a great decoration that you can just put on anything with the corners or sides, for example your 3D printer. And for those of you who have been eagle-eyed enough to count the number of colors here, then you can see that this is more than 4 colors, because I do have actually 2 of my CFS units for my Creality K2 that I recently received here as well. And these kind of very like not so tall prints are great for adding actually multiple colors, especially if you want to add more than 4, because even though you have the capabilities of doing so, you will find that just the amount of waste you need through every single layer just becomes too much to handle sometimes, and all the printing times as well just skyrockets if you start to add up to like 5 or even 8 different colors. But when you do have like thin prints like this, it doesn't add that much extra time to just throw throw in a few other extra colors as well, which again, I highly recommend just to add a little bit more colorful splashes on your Christmas and holiday season. And last but definitely not least, here we have the gift that keeps on giving. Here we have a Christmas fireplace that does not require any AMS to print. Every single one of these items have been printed on their separate, or at least a color separated build plate. And in addition to being printable on any kind of 3D printer, even if you don't have an AMS light, which you definitely should get if you don't have it already, it is also super easy to put together. And most of this is actually just attached as is. It is not glued by any means, and everything is just removable. Just have to be careful before everything else just like falls apart. Everything is just super easy to put together, and the design itself is also like it's so smart and so easy at the same time. Even though there's basically like no instructions to this print, just by the way that everything has been designed with these little connector points being like on not symmetrical. So there are like one is on the top, one is at the bottom. They only fit in like one way. So like you cannot make any mistakes. Everything is super easy. And then these socks here as well, they are like movable and removable as well. These socks and this star has been glued together. That's the only thing that has glue. Everything else is just put here on top of everything. Even these like red little balls here. Of course you can like glue it all together, and I do recommend doing that. So much nicer than if you would just have some random like Tealight or these kind of like lights in your house during Christmas anyway. Don't use actual lights with this, or actual like candles. I take no responsibility, but yeah, I just feel like it just adds a nice cozy feeling, and just makes me happy in general. Again, thank you all so much for watching. My name is Lucas. Starts with Alice and like, ends with S and subscribe. Please do both, and see you all in the next one. Ah, shit. God damn it. Oh, it's the last one. Oh, this is so difficult. Yay! There we go.